For this project, we're going to learn how to do a simple image transfer. You can find images anywhere, coloring books, downloads, make a photocopy of an image that you like in a book. And all you need to begin the process is a water-soluble marker like Crayola, so something that's water-activated, not permanent, your image, and then either a Ziploc bag or a plastic sheet protector. Once you have gone over the drawing with your water-soluble marker, you're going to want to get the paper you're going to transfer your image onto down, and then you're going to flip and center your artwork over the new piece of paper. Because of the plastic, the ink is still going to be wet and will transfer to the new piece of paper, making it look like a pen and ink drawing. So the image will need to be gone over again with either a marking pen, like an art pen, or you can use your Crayola marker some more if you want, or a permanent marker. And then when that's done, you're going to want to let it dry before moving on to the next step. Once you've got your tracing done, you can add color using different kinds of mediums, including colored pencils, colored markers, watercolors, whatever you have on hand.